Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to change your wallpaper or lock screen on iPhone. So first thing you have to do now is just go into the settings. In this settings you just need to scrolling down until you found a wallpaper. And this wallpaper you just need to click it, and after that you just need to go click add new wallpaper. And here you just need to go access the photo. If you want to use the photo as your wallpaper, just need to click all to access all of the photos that saved on your gallery. And after that you just need to find out which photos that you want to use for the wallpaper. For example, this one. And after you're done, you can adjusting the size of this picture. You can make it bigger by pinch it with two of your finger or make it smaller. And after you're done, you just need to go click add. And now you just need to go click set as wallpaper pair, so that there will be a pair for your wallpaper as well as the lock screen. That's all. So that's the way how to change your wallpaper on iPhone. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.